Don't you just hate it when you're watching your favorite streamer, GaroShadowscale, and you can't even see any of my emotes? I mean, look at this. Like, sure, I can see the subscriber emotes at the top, but I can't see anything else. These all just come out as text. They're not images. That's because these are better Twitch TV and FrankerfaceZ emotes, and you have to get a certain browser extension in order to enable you to see them. Now, thankfully, it's free and easy to do. However, disclaimer, you will only be able to use it if you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. You will not be able to use this if you're on tablet or mobile, right? You also need to be signed in order to be able to use this extension, so we're gonna go ahead and sign in right now. All right, as you can see, we are signing in, and nothing has changed. They're still mostly coming out as text. That's because you need the Better Twitch TV extension, which is from the Better Twitch TV website. This link will be in the description. So I'm using Chrome, so I would click this button to download for Chrome. If you're using a different browser, there's a drop-down menu here. You can select a different browser, easy peasy. So I'm gonna download for Chrome, takes me to the web store. Here it is, Better TTV, add to Chrome, add extension, boom, added, no problem. I go back to the Twitch link, and you can see nothing has changed because you need to refresh. Every time you do that, you need to refresh. So you're refreshed. And now, boom, updated. I can see most of the emotes now. The Coco one needs to load in, but it'll be there. There you go, it's loaded in. However, I cannot see Garo Wiggle, Garo Ball Wall, Garo Ball 2. That's because those are not just images, those are GIFs, those are animated emotes. Now, you need to enable a setting in order to see animated emotes. To change your Better Twitch TV settings, go to your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, click on it, and go down to this new option, Better TTV Settings. Now, by default, Better TTV Emotes is enabled. That's on, which is why these emotes were visible. And also, where is it? FrankerfaceZ Emotes. This is also on by default, which enables you to see the FrankerfaceZ emotes. However, Better TTV GIF Emotes is off by default. So if you want to be able to see animated emotes, you need to go into this menu, select on. Feel free to explore the menu for other things as well. But for this purpose, we're just looking at BTTV and FrankerfaceZ Emotes. Closing the menu, and now just like that, bam! I can see the wiggle, I can see the ball 1, I can see the ball 2. Those animated emotes are now clear, and you can see all of my emotes just fine and enjoy them for yourself, which you should. I do stream every single day starting at 12 p.m. Central and ending at 4 p.m. Central, so make sure you drop on by so you don't miss out. And if you like this video, please leave a like and comment because it does help out a lot. But that is it for tonight. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you had fun, and I'll catch you next time.